What is plant-based protein bioavailability? Imagine trying to fill your car with fuel that only partially powers it. That's similar to what happens when your body tries to use plant proteins that aren't fully bioavailable. Bioavailability is about how well your body can digest, absorb, and use the protein from food. When it comes to plant-based proteins, this process can be a bit different than with animal proteins. Proteins are made of amino acids, which are the building blocks your body needs for muscle repair, growth, and keeping everything running smoothly. Some amino acids are called essential because your body can't make them, so you need to get them from food. Plant proteins often have different amino acid profiles than animal proteins. Many plant sources are called incomplete because they lack enough of one or more essential amino acids. For example, grains might be low in lysine, while legumes may be lower in methionine. But if you eat a variety of plant proteins throughout the day, you can combine them to get a complete set of amino acids. Bioavailability of plant proteins tends to be lower than that of animal proteins for a few reasons. First, digestibility can be an issue. Plant proteins are often harder for your body to break down because of their structure and the presence of compounds called antinutrients. These include phytates, tannins, and protease inhibitors, which can interfere with digestion and absorption. Second, the amino acid content in plant proteins can be uneven, with lower levels of key amino acids like leucine, which is important for muscle building. To evaluate protein quality, scientists use tools like the Protein Digestibility Corrected Amino Acid Score and the Digestible Indispensable Amino Acid Score. These scores consider both the amino acid makeup and how well the protein is digested. Generally, plant proteins score lower on these scales compared to animal proteins, reflecting their lower bioavailability. However, some plant proteins such as soy, pea, and other legumes have better bioavailability and more balanced amino acid profiles. Processing methods like soaking, fermenting, sprouting, and isolating proteins can improve digestibility and reduce antinutrients. For example, soy protein isolate can have a digestibility of over 96%, which is much higher than whole soy flour. For vegetarians, plant-based proteins are still a great way to meet daily protein needs. Eating a variety of plant proteins across meals helps ensure you get all the essential amino acids. Combining foods like beans with rice or hummus with whole grain bread can make your meals more complete. Plus, plant proteins come with health benefits like reducing the risk of chronic diseases, making them an important part of a balanced vegetarian diet. In short, plant-based protein bioavailability is generally lower than animal protein because of differences in amino acid profiles, digestibility, and the presence of antinutrients. But with smart food choices and preparation techniques, vegetarians can get enough high-quality protein to support their health and muscle maintenance.